That can be an isolated case, but of course, every school in the region is also preparing for that. Well, na naman tayo 360 degrees initiative in terms of making our school safe and conducive for learning. So we just issued to re-emphasize about the provisions of that initiative to ensure that our students are really safe. And because our primordial concern in the Department of Education is really safety and security of our school children. And the schools also have their creative ways in terms of implementing that issuance. There are three issuances already of DepEd in terms of securing our student safety. So na sila, nag-put up sila, well, the different strategies, no? The schools that can afford, they hire mga security guards, and then they impose also the stricter policy in terms of checking, no? Although they should also be careful because they should not go beyond what are allowed, especially in the checking of bags, no? Kasi bawal man ang kayon, yun na ang mga bags. And then, of course, it's a whole community approach. Parents also have responsibilities. So we continue to engage them, especially with this very alarming condition of San Jose and Tacloban that rang our bell. And we also are being reminded by our Department of Education. I think you have seen that Secretary Angara visited the school, no? To give support, especially for the victims. In Region 7, I'll be meeting all the superintendents and assistants and the chiefs on Thursday for a regional MANCO meeting, and on top of our agenda is really the enforcement of the policies in terms of safeguarding the lives of our students, and not just our students, but even teachers now. It was very traumatic and very sad to experience na sulod pa yun sa tulunghaan, mga estudyante pa ginato ang naghimo sa krimen. But we cannot also conclude because we don't know what are these students are undergoing. Hindi naman natin alam kung baka may mga pinagdaanan. But I think it is very emphatic in the news na the social media has given so much influence in our students' perceptions of life and how they make decisions. No? So we are very careful of that, and ang mga superintendents nato sa Region 7, especially that was also emphasized during the Regional Peace and Order Council meeting, the RPOC, to really safeguard the lives of everyone.
You have